Hello and welcome class 11 commerce students. Today in this class I will discuss a new topic from the last chapter, that is internal trade. The topic is about chain stores, which is a large scale retail outlet business. So here I have written the heading chain stores. Now chain stores has another name. Chain stores can again be called in the name of multiple shops. It can be called as multiple shops. Either you can call it chain stores or you can call it multiple shops. Any name is acceptable. Now first I will discuss about chain stores or multiple shops. These are referred to as a network of retail shops dealing in the same line of goods under single ownership. And it has got a centralized management also. A chain store is an identical retail store situated in different localities. So such chain stores may be established by a manufacturer or a dealer. So you can call these multiple shops or chain stores. Receive they receive the central they receive uh, supply from the central office and remit the sale proceeds regularly to the central office. Each shop is allowed to retain a small amount of cash or impress basis to meet the day-to-day expenses. Now, the salient features of these chain stores are specialization. First of all, it focuses on specialization. That is, I have told you while telling the definition that it deals with one single line of business, like shoes. Bata shoes can be called as a chain store. So chain store specializes in one line of business only. For example, DCM, Bata footwear, these. It has got uniform price. Second feature is that it has got uniform price. That means the prices charged for goods sold in all the branches of a multiple shop is same everywhere. You will not find any variation in the price in case of one retail, or it will be different in some other retail shop. It doesn't happen like that in all the branches, almost in all the places, everywhere in the city. Wherever you will find these chain stores, you will find the same price of each product, which is marked as a uniform feature of this chain store. Next is it generally deals with cash sales and no credit sales are permitted. So you can write the feature as cash sales only. Cash sales only. It deals with only cash sales and no credit sales are permitted. Generally, you have seen that generally when we purchase shoes from Sri Leather's outlet or Bata, we generally purchase it on the cash basis, and no credit facilities are available in these kind of retail shops. And they are not known for these credit facilities, credit sales. Then identical display. Decoration of particular chain store and its window display follow a uniform style and a uniform pattern of its own, which is followed by in almost all the retail stores. So you can write that it follows an identical pattern in the display. Identical pattern of display. Next is quality product. Chain stores always deals in standardized and branded products. The customers are well known they are well aware of the quality of the product. They can rely upon the quality product. They don't have to get biased, and they don't have to worry about any kind of quality dispute, because they know that when they are buying it from the chain store or multiple shops, they are getting a good graded product, a quality and a standard product of its own. So quality product is always available. availability of quality product is one of the important feature. And another thing, the main thing which I consider as the important feature of these multiple shop is the elimination of middleman. Directly customers can select any one chain store of any particular product in their locality and go there for a direct purchase. They don't have to depend on the middleman, and unnecessary they don't have to pay an increased price for the product. So they can go to the retail shop, that is called chain store, and directly get the product from the producers. The producers generally give this kind of outlet of retail shop, so they generally go to the outlet and get their product that is desired by them without the help of middlemen. They can choose, they can select, they can wear, and they can according to their comfortable level, according to their budget, they can choose their own product of their own choice and then buy a product. So no need of middleman. So in that case we can write elimination of middleman. Elimination of middleman can be another feature of these chain stores. The chain stores are large scale business and it is formed by a joint stock company. These type of business is formed by, since it is a form of large scale business, so it is always formed by a joint stock company. So these are the important salient features of multiple shops. You can write DCM, Mafatlal, Bata, Titan as the examples of multiple shops or chain stores which can come in the question paper. And merits is that it gives you economics of scale, it gives you standardized products, also it diversification of risk is possible. It gains the public confidence. That is the main importance of these kind of stores. That is, it gains public confidence very easily because of its standard quality. And centralized advertising is also possible because it is done through a large scale, and it is chosen, generally these kind of business are chosen in a convenient location so that it is available to all the customers who demand their particular product, their standardized product. So these are all the features of chain stores or multiple shops. I hope you have understood. In my next class I will come up with another topic of retail business. So till then,